Hi, I'm Jared, head of R&D at TNMF, and today we're going to be installing mud flaps on a 2018 Forester. So first, on the rears, you're going to have to take off the tire and wheel, and then you're going to have to remove the factory splash guard off of this. To remove that, you take these two screws out. One pop clip here. There'll be one pop clip on the bottom. Remove the splash guard off of there. So the first thing you'll do is put in the factory pop clip back into the original hole, like so. Then these two screws back into the factory holes. Screw these down tight. And then you will take your self-tapping screw provided, and you'll tap it right into the plastic fender liner on the inside of the car. Nice and easy. If any of the factory pieces are broken or missing, we will be providing extra hardware with the kit. You may use that. They should all fit except these two. You will need to replace the factory pop clips with C-clips with the new C-clips. So now we'll be installing the fronts. Here I've already removed the pop clips out of the four holes, here, 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 and here. This is all you will need for reinstall. You will need to use the hardware provided in order to install the mud flaps. You will also have to put a C-clip on the inside bottom hole, which will install as shown. After you get that installed, take the mud flap, and I will start with the C-clip hole. You screw that in, make sure these stay lined up, tighten that down. The two top ones will get the smaller C-clips noted by the Phillips head bit in them. They just push and use the screwdriver and twist them in. The bottom one will use the large pop clip noted by its flat surface. It may take a little bit of force to get it in, but once you do that, push it in, make sure it's secure, and now you have the front mud flap set installed. Thank you for watching our video on installing mud flaps on a 2018 Forester. Please check out our website at tnmudflaps.com. Also visit our Facebook page at TNMF Mudflaps. Thank you for supporting us, and have a good day.